Does ClickFunnels work? Yes, with an asterisk. I've been doing digital marketing for 15 years now. I started working on funnels before I ever really even knew what they were. I was just an assistant for a friend of mine. He happened to work for an internet marketing company, and I was good with computers, so he asked me to help him copy and paste HTML code across a number of pages. I was using Adobe Dreamweaver at the time. But I was making sales funnels, and those sales funnels actually generated millions of dollars. Of course, that didn't make its way into my pockets, but that was my first exposure to funnels. About 2016, I think, I invested in ClickFunnels, and I've been a customer ever since. Now, I'm not part of the 2 Comma Club yet or anything like that, but I've definitely built a lot of funnels. I've built hundreds of funnels over my career for myself, for clients, as part of the businesses that I was working for as an employee. And so when ClickFunnels came around, I was definitely excited, and I still love the product. I think it's great, but I've also tried a lot of other products over the years as well. And a lot of my friends, they fall in and out of love with ClickFunnels. But at the end of the day, I think there's something really important that I didn't understand when I bought ClickFunnels back then, and I think most people don't fully understand for a while too, which is that if you don't have a great product and you're not offering something that people want, then a funnel isn't going to save you. So in that case, ClickFunnels isn't going to work for you. So when I first bought ClickFunnels, I thought that I could build a funnel into success, but it turns out I wasn't really good at offering products that people actually wanted. So none of my funnels really worked. And for a while, I thought about blaming ClickFunnels. All these other people are having so much success with ClickFunnels, and I wasn't. And I just thought it would be so much easier. And the reason is that my offer was wrong in the beginning. So I'd have to say there are a lot of people who get ClickFunnels who don't really need it. And it's not necessarily that they don't need ClickFunnels because they need something else. It's that they don't really have their offer, their product, and they don't really need a funnel, to be honest. Like a great alternative to ClickFunnels for a lot of people, if you're just getting started and you don't already have customers, you already don't have a flow of customers that you're wanting to increase the revenue on, then something like Gumroad is a really great option. Gumroad is a great place where you can get started and sell a product within 10 or 15 minutes. If you just want to sell a product, if you just have a book or some music or Photoshop templates or something like that that you want to just get on the market ASAP with no tech whatsoever, then I wouldn't really recommend ClickFunnels to get started. I would recommend starting with Gumroad. But if you already have a business and you already have customers and you already have a sales funnel, even if it is messy and sloppy, then ClickFunnels is going to completely change your business. If you get ClickFunnels set up and start to use all the features that it has, then you can radically transform your business. I'm talking like 2, 3, 4, 10x sometimes. If you already have that offer that people want, you already have people coming to you, you have a lead flow, you have a customer flow, you already have traffic. If you already have these things, then ClickFunnels can be an exponential exploder of your business. But if you haven't gotten those things down, then it doesn't really matter what you're using. You can use just a free WordPress website until you get that other stuff nailed down. Or if you just want to sell something quick and easy, then you can use something like Gumroad. So does ClickFunnels work? Yes, absolutely. It definitely works if you already have a flow of customers and leads. If you don't, then I think you may find it frustrating like I did and a lot of people do, that turns out that the funnel isn't the thing. Like the offer is the thing, the product is the thing, and the funnel is a tool to accelerate that thing. That's my opinion after 15 years of digital marketing and being a ClickFunnels customer for a lot of those years. So I don't know. Do you agree, disagree? Let me know in the comments. If you have any questions about ClickFunnels, I'm happy to answer them. And check out the links in the description for some resources that could be helpful to you.